Hello students, let's get started with revision for the poem Trains. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars, all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. And the poet of this poem is James S. Tippett. In last period, we understood the meaning of this poem. Today we will complete the textbook activity as well. We will write the question answers, words and meanings in our notebook. So let's start. Mountains. New words are from the poem. Mountains, passengers, rivers, precious, mail, plains, dusk, dawn. These questions we will write in our notebook with their answers. Okay. So let's do this activity. Describe an interesting train or bus journey you have taken or would like to take. Write 4 sentences about your journey. You can use some of the following words and phrases. Here some phrases and words are given to complete and to describe the journey. I am going to give you one example here. You may write according to your likes. So what I have written is that I went to the railway station with my father to Mumbai. There were crowded tea stalls on the railway station. After some time, the train gave loud whistle. I was sitting near the window. I enjoyed to see river, big and small trees, hills from train window. Next is, this is word building. We have to separate the words according to the given parts, like as land, air and water. And the words are bus, car, aeroplane, ship, boat, train, bicycle, helicopter, truck and steamer. We have to sort out these words. Sort out these different means of transport into correct groups. One is done for you. Land. Okay. Which is the vehicle which run on land. One example has given, that is bus, and the next are car, bicycle, truck and train. These means of transport are run on land. The next is air. We have to find the air transport means from this given words, that is aeroplane and helicopter. And in water, ship, boat and steamer. Next activity is complete the sentences. Give me some food or clothes, food to eat. Play with me or grey, that is me. Play with me. Swim across the river or the boat. Answer will be the river. Let's get on the train or dawn. Train. Let's get on the train. Next is you have to make this paper fun activity. Okay, you can enjoy this. You can see the proper way of folding here. As shown, you have to make this craft. Now say aloud, mail, fail, dawn, on, planes, trains. Now read this, enjoy this poem. Engine, engine number 9. Engine, engine number 9. When she's polished, she will shine. Engine, engine number 9. 10 will ride on the Shimla line. Okay. These all for textbook activity. And the next is, we have to write in our notebook. You will mention date over here, today's date, then name of the poem, trains, words and their meanings. First one is mountains. What is the meaning of mountains? A very high hills. Plains means area of flat land with few trees. Carry, move somewhere. Passengers, persons traveling in a vehicle. Mail, letters. Bring, take to a place. Precious, having a great value. Freight, transport goods. Rushing, transport very quickly. Through, from start to finish. Dusk, the darker. Dawn, the beginning of day. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where do the trains run? Answer is, the trains run over the mountains, plains and rivers. Question number 2. What are the precious loads that they carry? Answer is, they carry our luggage, important papers, letters, parcels, etc. We have to write ETC. ETC means etc. It means that there can be many other things which the train carries. Question number 3. When do the trains run? The trains run from morning to evening, from day to night. The next question is question number 4. What is dusk and dawn? Answer is, dusk is the time when the sun is going to set. And the dawn is the time when we see the first ray of light. That is the morning time. Question number 5. If you had to spend the night on a train, what would you need to take with you? Answer is, I would take food, water, glass, dish, bedsheet, napkin, toothbrush, toothpaste and some necessary medicines, comb and books for reading. Okay, so that's it for today. Complete all this given homework neatly and beautiful handwriting. That's it for today. Thank you.